Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and happy Ipsy Choice Day. It is October 2nd, and if you guys don't know, today is Choice Day for your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So if you haven't gone and picked out your 3 products for your bag, now's the time to do so. It is from October 2nd to October 3rd, so get excited. I actually think that these are really good choices. Now, I haven't personally picked mine yet. We're gonna do that together if it loads, because I've been trying since 6 a.m. to pick my products, but if I cannot pick my products, I will have some other people's products that I will show you. They are my lovely subscribers that sent me over what they picked, so I'm really excited to get into the video plus discuss everything. So if you guys are into these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. All right. I have my laptop here. We're going to try picking these products out. I'm going to go ahead and show you what Ipsy picked for me. This is what they picked. The Lovecraft Beauty Basic Rituals Eyeshadow Palette and the Tarte Double Beauty Shape Tape Setting Powder in Translucent, which is exciting because I did see a dark shade on there, but it did say translucent for the spoilers. But guess what? There is the dark shade and there's the translucent powder. So I'm so happy that I did get the translucent powder. And plus this Lovecraft Beauty palette is actually really pretty. I'll have the image on the screen because obviously just showing my laptop is not going to give you like the full effect, but I'm going to show you guys what I've been trying to do all morning. Okay, I've been trying to pick my products out and it's not working. I just feel like this would be easier than screen recording because editing sucks. So I have tried clicking the choose 3 products. I've tried clicking choice 1, 2, and 3, and I've even tried just clicking this here. So I'm going to start here, and let's fingers crossed that this doesn't just spin and spin and spin and spin, because this is what it's been doing. I have tried the app. I've done it on my phone. I have done it on my laptop on Safari. I've done it on Google Chrome. This is what keeps happening. It's just spinning, and I've been checking like all of the subscription box Facebook groups and everything. Nobody else is having this problem. It's literally just me. I'm wondering if anyone else who is actually like getting PR is gonna be having this problem. That's the only thing I can think of, is that like they chose my bag for me and it actually already shipped. It shipped out 4 days ago, so I should be getting it like any day now, but it's going through the DHL, which, you know, that takes like a long time. That's like the slowest shipper ever. But see, it's not gonna work. Apparently it's just not gonna work. I tried clicking this one to choose 3 products and see if it's gonna work, but I'm just like, I don't know, I'm just like, what's going on? Why can't I choose my products? It's kind of annoying, but like also I guess we can be surprised. I think my first 2 picks are pretty good. Plus all of the products that Ipsy is offering this month is really good. I am just going to put on the screen while this is loading to see if it's gonna actually work, which I did reach out to Ipsy Care. I'm waiting for them to say something back to me. Fingers crossed they do. Who knows? But if not, it'll just be a mystery, which kind of sucks. But anyways, now based off of everything everyone was talking about on these Facebook groups, pretty much the majority of people are in love this month, which I have to say there's some really good products, but there's also a ton of repeats. Like just about everything in the Ipsy Plus for this month is a repeated item. And if you've been with Ipsy for a very long time, you would know that these are repeated items. So I'm just gonna show them in like groups here. So the Trustique Brow Pencil in Espresso and Americano, these are new products. I think this is actually a really fun product that you have the gel and the pencil side. Now the other products here are definitely repeats. The Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in mauve. I just so happened to get 3 of them from Ipsy in the month of November and December last year. That was fun. The Laura Makeup Labs Moods eyeshadow and highlighter palette. That's a repeated item. I think that was a February 2019 box, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that's the very first box I got, and that palette was in there. The Yensa Tone Up Essential Glow Primer. Now this one I feel like is is a repeat item, but I don't know if it was like a full size or if it was like a sample size product. The Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground eyeshadow palette is a repeat item. I actually have 2 videos from about this time last year. I did 2 different eyeshadow looks, 2 different videos. If you guys want to check that out. Then we have the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder. This is a repeated item. I actually have this. I really like it. Honestly, I do. Then we have the Pure Lace Beauty Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. This is also a repeating item. The Balm Cosmetics Blush Palette, repeat item. Ciate London Triple Shot XXL Mascara, repeat item. The Beauty For Real High Def Mascara, that's a repeat item. And the Pure Lace Beauty Blue Lotus 401 Cleanser is a repeat item. I actually have that one. It's in my drawer. The Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer I have, and it's a repeat item, and I tried it once and I didn't like it, so I don't know. I was really excited to try it, I didn't really like it. And then the Miss Show Beauty Nail Duo, it's a really, really beautiful color, and then a top coat. I don't think this is a repeated item, but I really can't remember for this one, but I think that nail polish isn't a plus is really dumb, so I'm just saying. At least there's 2 here though. The Laboratories Oxygen Glow Eyes, that's a new product to me. I have not seen this one repeated before, so I'm pretty sure this one is new to the plus, to Ipsy. Like, we haven't seen this one before. The Dose, the Freematic Limited Edition Eyeshadow Palette, this one's a repeated item as well. Nature's Cartel Eyeshadow Trio, this is a new one. I don't think this is a repeated item. And the Caliese Better Being Clean Face Coffee Scrub, haven't seen this one. And then we have here both of the Tarte Translucent Setting Powders. We have the Half Caked Double Feature Lip Duo, which I know that one, the red shade, is a repeated item because I have it. I don't know about the second one. The Seraphine Botanical Sakura Plus Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette, that's a repeated item. I have an eyeshadow look video on this as well if you guys want to check it out. The Jewel Smith Beauty Powder 5 Eyeshadow Palette is a repeat item. The LaRousse Beauty Face Set's a repeated item. The LaRousse Beauty Essentials Brush Set is a repeated item. The Violet Voss Creme Brulee Fun Size Eyeshadow Palette is a repeat item. I'm not sure if it came in any of the boxes. I know it was a point purchase item a while back, and I think maybe even add-ons, but it's definitely been an Ipsy before. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion is a repeat item. I did receive this in my last bag, 2 bags ago, I can't remember. Skin and Lab B Plus Calming Cream, I haven't seen that one, so I don't think that's a repeated item. The Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Luminizer Primer, that's a repeated item. The Lovecraft Beauty Highlighter Palette, I have not seen this one, so this one's a new one for sure. The Dr. Lip Lip Tint 3-pack, this one's a new one. This is not a repeated item. We have 2 different Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brighteners. These are new, and I'm really excited. I hope I get one. I hope I can actually choose my products, and this is one of them that I can choose because I want to choose one, okay? I do. Well, obviously the lighter one, but anyways. Then we have a bunch of Violet Voss glosses. We have it a Delight, Adore, Dream, Romantical, and Fresh. I don't think we've had any of these before in Ipsy, so this is exciting to see. So we have 2 Lovecraft Beauty eyeshadow palettes, which you guys already know. I got this more cooler tone palette, which I actually think is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to do an eyeshadow look with that. The other one is really, really pretty too. We have the Complex Culture Powder Brush, which we have seen that one. The Sunday Riley A Plus High Dose Retinol Serum. I cannot remember if this is a repeated item or not. Let me know if you guys know. The Arceli Beauty Oyo Perfectos Gel Pencil Liners. We have not seen the gel pencil liners, but we have seen the other liners from them. So I do think that the gel liners are probably going to be better because gel liners are just like my fave. So I think you guys will enjoy that. Then we have 3 House Laboratories lip glosses. We have them in the shade Scream, Chaser, and Work. Now, I did see somebody comment that they did not like the gloss. I personally really like the gloss. I don't know if probably got the one that wasn't very good, but this gloss for me wasn't sticky at all, and it was actually really good. I like mine. I have it in the shade Corset, which is a really beautiful peach color, so hopefully I can pick one of these because I would like to have another gloss. But anyways, that's everything that came in the Ipsy Plus bag for for like as a whole. Like those are all of the products. And if I have to say, the Ipsy Plus this month is actually so good, other than the fact that these are all repeated items. So basically, if you have been with Ipsy for at least 2 years, at least since the beginning of 2019, you have had just about all of these products already if you did not receive them. But maybe that's why mine's not loading, because like I've literally gotten all of these products at one point. Literally. Well, not every single one, but for the most part I've gotten just about every single product that is listed, like almost every single one. So I'm also wondering, since I am getting PR from them, if they're going to see my beauty profile and see exactly what items I've already received, and if they're gonna give me new items. I don't know. I have no idea, but I know it's going to be here any day this week, and I'm really excited to compare. Hopefully I can choose my items, but anyways, let's go over some item choices that I did get from some of my lovely subscribers. So this is Elizabeth's bag. She has a total bag of $163. If you guys don't remember, I actually compared, well, I didn't compare, I showed her bag last month and mine in a video. This is what she got. She picked the Purlisse cleanser, which is such a great pick, the watermelon primer. I have to try it again because I wasn't having a good skin week when I tried that, so I really need to try that again, but it made my face look just way too like greasy. I don't know. We'll have to try it again. I think the lip tint that she picked here, the 3, is a great pick because you're getting 3 for 1. Perfect. They picked the translucent setting powder for her and the Sakura and Sage eyeshadow palette, which I had a really great time using that palette. That was actually a pretty solid palette. Again, go check that video out below. And then my dear love Lacey, she's been a subscriber of mine for God knows how long, over a year I think. She's so sweet. I love her to death. So she sent me her pick screenshots, and Ipsy picked for her the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pore Dermabrasion, which I still haven't used that product yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be really, really good. I like the one that's in the black packaging. And then Ipsy also picked the same eyeshadow palette that I'm getting, which is exciting. Here is her first choices that she could pick from. So I guess she only got 4 each. I'm not sure exactly what she picked, but this is what she got. She got 2 skincare products, a brush, and an eyeshadow palette for her first choice. Then she got another eyeshadow palette, a blush palette, the nail polish, and the lip gloss for her second choice. And then her third choice, she had the eye brightener, the gel liner duo, the lipstick duo, and the brow pencil. So I think for her choices this month, she actually had a good like selection because it wasn't all skincare. It wasn't all just lip products. You know what I mean? Like there was actually like different categories within each pick. So I think she got a really good pick there. And then another dear subscriber of mine, Nicole, she actually got a bag worth $245. Wowzers. Plus 4 add-ons. So let's go over what she had. I'm going to put the picture on the screen. So she got the same eyeshadow palette that Ipsy picked and the translucent powder, which I've noticed that with even everybody on the Facebook groups that everyone had the translucent powder just about as their Ipsy pick. So I guess they had an abundance of those to just like say, here, we picked this for you. And then she picked the House Laboratories lip gloss, the eye brightener, and the eyeshadow palette down here, the Moods eyeshadow palette. I think she got a really, really great bag, if I'm being completely honest. Like this one's a really great one. And let's show her selections here. So lip gloss, nail polish, eyeshadow palette, and a skincare item. So that's a good array of products here. And then our second choice, she had 2 lip items, a brush, and then the palette. So we did have a 2 lip gloss item in here. And then we have the eye brightener, the lipstick duo, mascara, eyeliner. So again, this one has a really good variety here. And then going over on my community tab and seeing what others have gotten in their bags, White Wolf said the choices were much better this time. I was going to cancel if it didn't improve. I have to 100% agree. It did improve this month a lot, even though there was a ton of repeated repeated items. The repeated items are actually like really good items that I would want again. So I have no complaints there. There were some that I'm just like, meh, but I think it's overall like a really good like pick. And then for Angie, Ipsy picked the Dr. Brandt skincare and the Lovecraft Beauty palette, which she said just like most people, which I've seen a lot of people get that too. And then she got the Dose Smoky Pro palette, the Skin and Lab B Plus calming cream, and the Arceli Beauty Gel Pencil Duo. And she said that the choices were not the best for her, but the bag value was $261, which is amazing for only $25, and I have to agree. The bag value there is actually really good, really good. So that's all that I'm going to go over. If you want to go to my community tab and read what everyone else got and their opinions, then definitely go do that. I think that listening to everyone's opinions for like subscription boxes are like so intriguing and so fun because everyone's so different, and that's why I really like when you guys comment your opinions on stuff, because of course opinions are like buttholes and we all have one, but like everyone's entitled to their opinion, and I respect that. I respect people's opinions so much, and I do love when you guys comment down below and leave your opinions. So definitely leave your opinion down below on your thoughts and opinions for this month's Ipsy. I really want to know. I know this video is a lot longer, but since Ipsy's not working for me, I really wanted to include my subscribers in this video and really just show what they got, and we can all talk about it as a group down below in the comments. I am going to be having a really busy day, so I'll get to the comments eventually, but I do read every single comment. Like literally, I don't think I've ever missed a comment ever on my channel, so I have read them all. I just might not have replied, but just know the love is in my heart. But I do have several videos to film today, plus I'm going out with my mother and doing some shopping with her, so I will be having a really full day, but I will get to the comments. This will be the very first video that I upload and post, so yeah, and beware, because I will be coming out with a ton of videos in the next few days, including more advent calendars and a lot of Ipsy spoilers. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want me to start doing these types of videos instead for Ipsy picks, and I include everyone, and I include like subscribers picks into the video, and we can make this like a thing where every second of the month we can just get on here and discuss, and just have this as like a chit chat and discussing type video instead of just like me sitting down showing you what I'm getting, because I will be also unboxing and doing like the PR versus what I picked and see if like which one's better. But just let me know your thoughts down below. Should I start making this kind of like a community talk type video day? I don't know, just let me know. And I'm very sorry this is very long, but I don't know, I feel like this would be a lot like funner to do. I don't know. Anyways, that is it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!